Hello everyone. Today I will taking you on the production lines of the behind scenes of our production workshops. Now let's go start. This is our raw material workshop. We use the high quality stainless steel coins and we carefully select their durability and corrosion resistance. All these steel coins are the foundation of every screw we produce. Now that's the first step of the produce screw, the co-heading machine. These are just the head pad and the bearing.
Oh my gosh!
Now that's the secondary of the produce screw, the threading. We have over 85 threading machines. This machine can produce many kinds of the threading screws.
The speed of rubbing teeth is so fast.
Woo!
That's the journal for the screw, from the raw material to the high quality screw finished. With the 30 years experience and the professional quality control, we proud and be your trusted long-term cooperation partner.